to my cocktail blog. Today I show you a cocktail which is named a piece of ass. I don't know why this cocktail is named a piece of ass, but what I know is which ingredients we need to make the piece of ass cocktail. So now let's start with our a piece of ass cocktail. I need a glass and I fill my glass with some ice. And then I top it with 30 milliliters of Amaretto almond liqueur. 30 milliliters of Amaretto, and I need 30 milliliters of Southern Comfort orange liqueur. And in the end I top it with some sweet and sour mix. I have prepared some sweet and sour mix, and I think I need 90 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. And I top it with a sweet and sour mix, and in the end I take a straw and I stir a little bit. And now I'm ready. Here's the cocktail, a piece of ass. I say now cheers. Great. And goodbye. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel.